Assalamu alaikum, sir. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Nakba to you and your family and the whole nation of Saudi Arabia. After that, I would like to give you an introduction of you. What is the message you will give to the Pakistani community here in Saudi Arabia?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Major General Abdullah Al-Ghamdi, retired, the former Defense Attaché of Saudi Arabia to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. I must thank the Consul General of Pakistan for doing the great thing of the National Saudi Day, the 91th years of National Day. And we always say that the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia having the one heartbeat understanding. The Day of Kashmir, for example, it is the Saudi People Day, the 5th of February, the 23rd of March is the Saudi National Day. We consider also the 6th of September, the Defense Day of Pakistan is the Saudi Defense Day. So when we communicate such days of love and affection, that means we are communicating the understanding of one heartbeat. Thank you so very much for your passing.
Thank you for your time. And one question, if I ask Abdullah Al-Ghamdi himself, as he satisfied from Pakistani community here in Saudi Arabia, and he satisfied to how much? If not satisfied, so what would you suggest to Pakistani community to do for you that you are satisfied from?
Indeed, we are looking ourselves to the Pakistani community in Saudi Arabia is shoulder to shoulder, equal to every single Saudi here. We have our people from Pakistan working the infrastructure in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and we are appreciating their efforts and their disciplinaries that they are maintaining. Indeed, my driver is a Pakistani citizen. I'm proud of him. He is almost like 7 years working for me, and we had the same opportunities when we were staying in Pakistan for more than 13 years. The hosting of the Pakistani people to ourselves, just like we are enjoying the time here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So Pakistan is our first country, as we reciprocate for you, the Saudi Arabia is your first country.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.